How to build a PC. Free PC guide in description. Towers. Tower or motherboard, what do you pick first? We believe the tower is the most practical and has greater long-term effect. Towers do not have official standards for their dimensions. For you, a mid-tower or full tower is what you want. Full towers offer greater internal space than mid-towers. They offer a greater number of drive bays as well, internal and external. Motherboard. Their form factors are the official standard dimensions. The form factors, in order from smallest to largest, are Mini ATX, Micro ATX, ATX, eATX. Yes, Micro is larger than Mini. Each motherboard has a specific socket. A socket is an array of pins in the securing mechanism that hold a processor in place and connect the motherboard to a compatible CPU. NVMe stands for Non-Volatile Memory Express. This fourth-generation port supports SSDs. PCIe stands for Peripheral Component Interconnect Express and is used for graphics cards and expansion cards. CPU. Central Processing Unit. The two main manufacturers are AMD and Intel. Key terms to take note of when searching for a quality CPU. Clock speed, the number of cycles your CPU executes per second and is measured in gigahertz. GPU. Graphics Processing Unit. This will be your most expensive part in 2021. However, we can definitely help you find the GPUs for the best price. Visit atlaspcbuilder.com. Here is an image of the different sizes for PCIe slots. The GPU you purchase will have something like 4.0x16. This represents the generation of the GPU and the amount of slots it will take up. RAM. Random Access Memory. It is the temporary storage of your PC. It speeds up your PC by allowing your CPU to draw information from it instead of slower HDD or SSD. RAM is a volatile memory and will be deleted with loss of power. They are cartridges that fit into the DIMM slots on the motherboard. The motherboard is the limiting factor when determining RAM capacity. Storage. Self-explanatory, but there are two very different types of storage you can purchase. Hard disk drives are cheaper and older than the modern solid-state drive. Solid-state drives are on average roughly double or more the price per GB when compared to hard disk drives. They are, however, almost 30 times as fast as hard disk drives. Power supply. You will want to always have more than you need but choose quality over quantity. A calculator is highly recommended. You will simply enter your parts, and it will tell you estimated wattage of your PC. Accessories. Gaming monitors offer benefits over traditional TVs and ordinary monitors by having a greater refresh rate. Gaming mouse and keyboards have decreased input lag compared to their traditional counterparts. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Free PC guide available on Atlas PC Builder.